Welcome to City Subaru's Wise on Wheels free workshop. So the layout for this evening is very simple. We have 5 workstations. You have 5 fully qualified technicians here with you this evening. Now's your opportunity to ask those burning questions that have kept you awake at night time to get the answers to finally.
Best way I find is to grab
underneath.
yeah, and just
okay.
You've got an old school style brake drum for your handbrake, which sits inside there, so you've got shoes that press against the outside when you pull your handbrake out.
If you were ever to change one of these, you always make sure that you change the colour for colour.
If you went to, oh no, I put 40 in it and you wanted to release it, you literally press the button lightly and it will release the air.
I'm excited and I love the brand. People that are with us love the brand. It's why they've been with them for so long, etc. We're part of the furniture almost, but like I said, if you're new to it, welcome to the family. If you've been with us for a long time, we really, really appreciate it. And thanks for your time tonight in particular. Thank you.